Hello, I'm Oksana Truhan and I'm happy to see you on my YouTube channel. Today I will show you a very easy tutorial how to make this wire wrapping ring and how to work with thin copper solder. We will make a bit of soldering and a lot of waving. So let's start. Cut 5 identical rings of required diameter. Use a metal cylinder for this. Use the file to align the edges. The pieces of wire must fit tightly to each other. We will use solid copper phosphorus solder to make soldering. You can find two kinds of solder in my shop, 2 mm and 1 mm. They both have beautiful copper color after the soldering, because they don't contain silver. But I prefer a thin solder because it's easy to cut. I use a large cutters for 2 mm solder and small cutters for 1 mm solder. Use plastic hammer to fix the rings. I use large button torch for copper soldering because it can maintain a high temperature. Cut a very small piece of solder and place it near the seam of the ring. Be careful, if you use the large piece, it can acquire silver color after the soldering. Start warming in the ring on the opposite side and move to the seam. Clear all rings in the warm solution of citric acid. As you can see, after the cleaning, the place of soldering have perfect copper color. Use steel mandrel and plastic hammer to fix the rings. Cut 80 cm of 0.4 mm wire and make a weaving next way. One coil around first and second rings together, and next coil around second and third rings, and so on. I add a new ring with every new turn. I make 2 coils around the fourth and fifth rings above. Then I pull the wire between the fourth and fifth rings, and I make a coil around the fourth and third rings, and continue to the bottom. During weaving, the wire can become rigid and break, so from time to time I heat the wire to make it soft again. From time to time I use a needle to push the rings. The distance between the rings should be the same all the time. When the thin wire ends or breaks, we can just take another long piece and continue the weaving. Cut off excess pieces of wire and push to the base. Hide the ends between the coils on the outside side. In the final, it can be difficult to do weaving, so use a needle and pliers to continue it. After the weaving is finished, cut off the excess wire and hide the ends on the outside, between the coils, and clear the rings in the citric acid. Make patina by the warm solution of liver of sulfur. Use polishing pads and tumbler or polishing cream to polish the ring. I hope you like the tutorial. Please put a like and I will be very happy to see you next time. Bye!